Good morning, guys and gals and non-binary pals. Welcome to the Sweet Science Lab. My name is Dr. Bizzaro, food scientist extraordinaire, and this is my partner in slime, Chem. Today we have a message from Arise. Chem, play the message. Wrong video, Chem. The other one.
Hi, Dr. Bizzaro. My name is Arise. Today there is a really big snowstorm, which means we can't go outside. But today is Ice Cream Sunday. Dr. Bizzaro, help.
I see. That is a sweet problem, but can easily be solved with some science. We love getting tasty frozen treats at our local ice cream store, but we can also make our own ice cream at home. To do this, we will need the following ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 4 cups of ice cubes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/3 cup of rock salt, 1 resealable sandwich bag, 1 large Ziploc bag, and a cup. First, grab 1 sandwich bag and place it in the cup. The cup will help you keep the bag sturdy when pouring in your ice cream ingredients. Now add in the milk, the sugar, and the vanilla extract. Close the bag and make sure no extra air is left inside. Chem, you are doing great! Are you ready for part 2? Okay, grab the ice and salt and pour them into the large resealable bag. We will call this the ice bath. Brrr. Next, place the bag with the ice cream mixture into the bag with the ice bath. Make sure it's sealed fully. And start shaking the bag. Not like that, faster. Put some muscle into it. Perfect! Now keep going until the ice cream forms. This will take about 10 minutes. An important thing to remember is that ice is what we call water when it is frozen. When we put ice and salt in the same bag, less heat is needed to make the ice melt. In other words, the ice melts at a lower temperature. That's why we put salt on icy roads in the winter. Even though water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, the ice will still melt when it is colder than 0 degrees outside. When the ice is melting, it is absorbing the heat in the little bag, making it colder. Because the inside of the big bag is colder and we're shaking both bags, the ingredients in the little bag stick together and freeze. The result is our ice cream. And you're done. You have made ice cream in a bag. Open your bag, grab your spoon, and dig in. Chem, don't eat it all. We've got to transport the ice cream all the way to Child A. Put it in the Kiddex.
Thanks, Dr. Bizzaro. I can't wait to eat this. Isn't there supposed to be more?
Well, that is all the time we have for today. Until next time, this was another sweet episode with Dr. Bizzaro and Chem.